This is a Lent update. It's day 14, and as you may recall, I gave up sweets and sex and self-doubt, and I started failing on day 1. Well, I am happy to report that nothing has changed. I am still failing, right? I just wake up. That's why I look like this. I'm not sleeping at night. Do you see these bags under my eye? Do you see them? You know why these bags are here? One, because Shanti workout is secretly killing me. But I'm determined to finish it. And two, because I cannot sleep at night. And usually when I cannot drop asleep, I would just have some me time. And then I would float off on a bed of cotton candy. On a sea of asham. I don't know. I would just float off to the sweetest sleep ever. But I'm forbidden to touch myself. So therefore, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. You know what happens when you give up things for Lent? All of the things that you give up present themselves to you. Like yesterday, all of the sweet things that were hiding in the back of my cupboard march up to the front. Them just take up them 2 foot and just walk right into the front of the cupboard. So I was going in the cupboard for some Lent appropriate food, something that don't have no sugar, no love, no joy, no happiness, no flavor, no nothing good about it. And see the butterscotch puddn here. But wouldn't just present itself front and center, and I cannot eat it. And I cannot throw it away. Because instead, if I throw away food, my grandmother Duppy will come and box me because A, I am on a student budget, and B, I wasn't raised that way. I saw a chocolate covered almond yesterday and I almost broke down in tears. What kind of life is this? What kind of life? I have a list of things I cannot listen to. I cannot listen to the song Different by Conscience. I cannot listen to anything that Jodeci sing. I cannot listen to anything that Trey Songz sing. I cannot listen to anything that come off of the Janet Jackson Velvet Rope album. I have an entire YouTube playlist that I cannot go near because I am at the point where I cannot even make contact with my own skin. When I am bathing, I have to hold a rag like this and gently touch myself, because if I touch myself too hard, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what is going to happen to myself. Do you know what it is like to have to sleep with your legs like this? Because you cannot allow one leg to touch the other. This is delirium. What you're witnessing on me, I am delirious because of the Lent. Usually, before Lent, I would have a last hurrah and I would just eat all of the sweet things in the house and get rid of them. And I would just have another kind of last hurrah in the bedroom and get rid of all the crengage. But I didn't. So now everything back up. And it's attacking me when I least expect it. So I can't fall asleep. And the longer that I'm awake, the more I think about the butterscotch pudding. And then I feel bad because I say, but Carla, you should be stronger than butterscotch pudding and Trey Songz. But I don't know if I am. No, I have bags and I'm delirious. I'm laughing for no reason. Yesterday, I saw somebody who I didn't even find attractive. And it's starting. I thought they were looking better this week. I wondered if they had changed their haircut or something. I need you to just do the Care Bear stare for me. I need you to just we care. Just we care. Because right now, we fail at Lent. And then I go for my daily bread now. I'm going to say a quote. I say, to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. So be them a fling word after. The daily bread is flinging word at me. What kind of life this? Bye.